Hey there, my name is Shah and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm outside. I'm also in the city, so if the sounds of the city might be overwhelming to you, then I apologize in advance. If you see me jump, it's because a city girl decided to come outside and film. Anyway, I'm in the season of done is better than perfect, so here we are. I want to cover ocean breath with you today. And the way that I describe ocean breath is like you're trying to fog a mirror, and instead of having your mouth open, you have it closed. And so as hard as you would breathe, you do that with your mouth closed. And I'm covering ocean breath because I like to pull the things out of my toolbox that help me manage anxiety. And this is a form of breath work that I found to be helpful to manage any symptoms of anxiety. All right. So again, it would be like fogging a mirror. You take a breath in, and if you were fogging a mirror, open your mouth and breathe out. All right. With ocean breath, you would breathe in and bring your lips together and still attempt to make that fog the mirror breath. So we'll breathe in, bring the lips together and breathe out. Essentially, the goal is to sound like Darth Vader. So if you sounded like Darth Vader, you did it. All right. We're going to do some ocean breath now. I'm trying to think of how many breaths we're going to do. We're going to do 3 breaths. And that's it. I just want you to have that in your toolbox. All right. So that if and when you need it, you remember. So we're sitting up nice and tall. Draw your navel toward your spine. And 1, 2, 3. Let's do ocean breath for 3 breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Lips stay together. Darth Vader. Shoulders away from the ears. Let's do it again. Breathe in through your nose. Darth Vader. One more time. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale it out. Good. That's ocean breath. I don't know about you, but just 3 of those helps me calm and recenter. Again, I hear the sounds of the city already, but keep that in your toolbox. If at any moment you find yourself getting carried away by your thoughts, just remember, that girl taught me how to breathe like Darth Vader. Come back to this video. Have a seat and breathe like Darth Vader. All you need is 3 breaths. If you've got more time, you can do it longer. Otherwise, 3 breaths is it. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that I can be accountable and come back and create more content that you like and need. Thank you for sharing your time with me today. I'll see you on the mat soon.